If you are a user who has been assigned the travel arranger or delegate roles, here is the steps that you would go through to act as another user and perform certain functions within Concur. First, let's look at travel. So if you select the travel module, you can select arrangers and then I'm assisting. This will show you all the users in Concur who have designated you as a travel arranger. This is something they do within their own profile, which they have control over. But if you move to a different department or are no longer assisting someone, you can delete them from the list of other users who you are supporting for the travel function. So the travel arranger access gives you the ability to book travel on behalf of someone else. The delegate access gives you the opportunity to start a travel request or an expense report on behalf of someone else. So to perform any of those three functions, the way you would do that is act as the other individual. So when you first log into Concur, if we go back to the main screen, this will be your user profile. However, if you go over to profile, you'll see an option that says acting as other user. Depending on who has given you this access, you will see a drop down, or you can start searching by name. You can select the person that you're going to be acting as. So again, you're signed in as yourself, you're acting as this other person. You're going to start your session. And now everything you do is going to be on behalf of this additional person. So if you wanted to book travel for them, that means that the tickets will be in their name, which is what you're wanting to accomplish. You can start a travel request on their behalf or an expense report as well. So that's how you act as another individual in order to perform functions on their behalf.